Hello, engineers, developers, and friends. I'm Ken Briota, Editor-in-Chief of Embedded Computing Design, and I'm here at Embedded World North America in Anaheim, California. We are so excited about this show. It's growing like crazy, and I'm very excited to be here in our DevZone, where we are showcasing some of the hottest and best dev kits anywhere in the embedded industry. I'm right now here with Pantherun's Pepper open source FPGA development kit. This is a compact, powerful, and versatile IoT device. It's ready to build any network IoT device, switch, whatever you're looking to do. It's a beautifully constructed, high-end, and rugged system. So you want to come down here to the DevZone and check it out. I hope you do. We are at booth 2029, and it's going to be really exciting to see you. I hope you come on down.